Hi, everybody. So this is the explanation of the lesson for this from December 6th to December 10th, 2021. And let's see what we have for this week. As you know, we always go to our blog. I will share my blog, and then from there, you will be able to see what we have planned. Okay, share my screen and we go to our blog. That's always where you're supposed to go to see the weekly lesson. Okay, so level 2 teacher Carolina, Carolina level 2 blogspot.com. That's all you have to put in and in Google, and then this will open. So this week we will start learning about commercial services, shopping, because Christmas is coming and I know everybody loves shopping. Only a few of us said that we don't really like shopping. So we go and do some shopping vocabulary and learning about shopping receipts and stuff like that. Okay, so what we have for Monday, I put here 3 different exercises with new vocabulary items. Hopefully not everything is new for you. And then what I want you to do, when you finish practicing these 3 exercises, then I want you to write 3 sentences from the first exercise, 3 sentences from the second one, and 3 sentences from the third one. So that's all you have to send back on Monday for homework, 9 sentences. But let's see what these are. I will show you only one, and then the rest, they are the same. Okay, so shopping number 1. I can make it bigger if I click in the top right corner, and there you go. Shoe store, these are different kind of stores. Clothing store, toy store, bookstore, hair salon, and coffee shop, like Tim Hortons or Starbucks. So if you want to listen to these ones, click on the little speakers, and then you can repeat after the lady shoe store. And then this way you will learn the pronunciation, you will learn the new words. What I would do, and I always tell you to do this, copy these new words before you continue with the exercises, copy them in your notebook. So later on you can use it when you get to the dictation and the fill in. Okay, at the top of each exercise, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different exercises, okay? So let's see the first one. What you do, you listen and you put it next to the correct word or sentence or whatever it is. This one says shoe store. I put it next to the shoe store. So this is good for your listening and is good for your reading, because it's not only that you have to listen to the word, but you have to be able to read the word to know where to put it. Okay. When you finish, you can always check your answers at the top where it says check answers. This is good. We didn't do the rest. When you finish, you can go back and then do exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is more like a reading practice. You have to take the word, this is bookstore, put it under the correct picture. Toy store goes under the correct picture. Clothing store goes here, and so on. When you finish, check your answers. You don't have to send this one back to me. You just check your answer, see if you understand, if you know everything. If you know, that's good for you. Okay, then let's go and do exercise number 3. Exercise number 3 again is listening, and then you put it under the correct picture. This one says shoe store, goes under there. This one says bookstore, so it will go under the bookstore. When you finish, you can check your answers again, then you go back and go to fill in. So that's why it was a good idea to copy everything in your notebook, because now you can look and you will know how to spell it correctly. Okay, this was, for example, toy store. Okay, and then if you check your answers, there you go, toy store was good, clothing store, shoe store, coffee store, hair salon, and so on. Okay, we finish, go back, and let number 5. Now you listen. And it said toy store, so I will type there toy store. Then you can check your answers again, and then you finished everything. Okay, so this was shopping number 1. You have here shopping number 2, the same but different new words. Okay, you have to finish this the same way as the other one. And then we have shopping number 3, this one, more places you can go and more things. You can buy stuff like laundromat, appliance store, you can buy appliances, pharmacy, we know, hardware store if you need a hammer or a shovel or a drill or a bucket or a rake, sporting goods store when you can buy skates, basketball, a baseball bat, and so on. Okay, and all of them, they have 5 different exercises. Okay, so this is the practice for Monday, and the only homework for Monday will be to send back 3 sentences from each exercise, so total of 9 sentences. I put an example here. I said, I bought a shovel from the hardware store, because the hardware store was, I believe, in the 3rd exercise. Yes, here, that hardware store. Okay, so I wanted to use the new word hardware store in a sentence. Okay, Tuesday, 9 o'clock, we have the morning class. 10 o'clock, we have the afternoon class. Okay, and then we have 2 more of these for skill building, learning more exercises. This is a shopping trip. This is more stores. I'm not going through this again. The first thing when you open, then copy these ones in your notebook so you can use it for later on in exercises 4 and 5. Okay, and then listen and repeat as many times as you want so your pronunciation gets better and you will remember the new words. Newsstand, florist, if you want to buy flowers, bakery, pet store. If you have a cat or a dog or a bird or a fish, sometimes you have to go to the pet store to buy them food. Butchers, farmers market, pharmacy, and so on. So you have the exercises here, the same ones as I showed before. Okay, I'm not going to do these ones. So you have 2 practices for Tuesday, and also we'll do it during the lesson. And then you have Joanna's shopping trip that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercises here. And I will explain this one on Tuesday. We will do it together during our lesson. So I have to click on next, and then it says black. I click next, and it shows you what black is. Next, winter boots. Click again, you will see the picture. You will see the word. Small, the opposite of large. Large and small, they are opposites. Size, measurements, the size of shoes, size of a t-shirt, size of clothing. So you can have maybe your shoe size is 38. We'll practice on during the lessons. I will ask about your size. Maybe your t-shirt is small, maybe is medium. Then you can talk about your dress size and so on. So these are the new words. And then you go back again. The next one will be an exercise, what we'll do together. So what is this? Black coat, green jacket, price tag, purple, red or sweater, winter boots. So this is green. These are winter boots. This is, oh, this is the green, sorry. This will be the green. And this one probably will be a jacket. So at the end of each, you can check your answers. It says, okay, 30%. So jacket, winter boots, and green was good. The rest we didn't do it. So you learn prices, sizes, and stuff like that. You can go back and then you go to the next exercise. Here again, you have to match the descriptions with the words. So here it says measurements for buying clothing or shoes, such large or extra large. What was that? That was size, okay? And so on. So that's why you have to practice. I can go back. The next exercise is, Joanna has 4 children who needed new clothing. So you have this, and then you have to answer questions. Amanda got a pair of brown winter boots. True or false? You look at it. Amanda, brown winter boots. True or false? Let's see. So Amanda, winter boots, and they are not brown, they are black. So if it's not that, it's false, okay? And that will get correct. We'll do this together during the lesson. Okay, let's see what else we have for Wednesday. For the morning students, I have a reading. Let me make it bigger for you. So this one is basically copying, but reading a shopping list. So mom has a shopping list. She needs to buy a bottle of olive oil, dozen eggs, 2 cans of carbonara cream, 1 carton of fresh milk, 1 loaf of wellness bread. Dozen is 12. So 2 dozen would be 24 eggs. Okay, get to keep change, get a copy of the free Sun newspaper from 7-Eleven on the way back. So what you have to do, here it even tells you the number. Here it says number 1. So I need a bottle of, what is number 1? Bottle of olive oil. Okay, so you just have to copy bottle of olive oil. Oh, sorry, I put P of olive oil. Okay, I can make it bigger. So number 2 is 2 dozen eggs. That's what you have to copy here. Number 3, 4 and 5 are here. So this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. All you have to do, you copy 3, 4, and 5 from here. So 2 cans of carbonara cream, 1 carton of fresh milk. Pay attention when you copy so you don't make a mistake. Then you click on the finish button and send it to the teacher. Put your name and click on send. So this was for the morning students for the homework, and this is for the afternoon students. It's a listening. You have to listen, and I have to make it a little bit smaller. You listen what Amy is buying. Maybe Amy will buy a picture. If Amy buys a picture, then here you just have to put D. Here, maybe if you listen and they say maybe Allison buys a CD, then I put an A. So you have to put the letters next to the names. After you listen to this, they will tell you they are talking. So then they will say, okay, Amy wanted a magazine. Allison bought a CD. Maybe Helen bought a picture. Maybe Lucy bought shoes. So all you have to do, you just put here the different letters for the correct answers, and then you click on the finish button, put your name in, and send it to the teacher. So that was the homework for Wednesday for the afternoon students. Okay, let's see what we have on Thursday. We have a lesson in Carolina's room, and this one hopefully will work. If not, we'll do it together. It doesn't seem to work, but I will show it to you. We'll do it together during the lesson. Okay, for Friday, for the morning students, I have a reading practice. Okay, so now you have the reading practice. Nilar wants a pencil, a drawing book, and crayons. So where does she go? If she wants pencil, drawing book, and crayons, she will have to go to the stationery shop where you can buy stuff like that, paper and stuff. Min wants a t-shirt, a jacket, and shorts. So he goes to the clothes shop. Okay, and that's what you have to put here if you want, just the letter. So number 1A, maybe number 3D or F, and so on. It's not even F, D, maybe. Okay, complete the sentences. Nilar goes to the clothing store or maybe stationery. She wants pencils, And all you have to do, copy this one from here. She wants a pencil, a drawing book, and crayons. If this one is easier for you to do it in your notebook, then do it in your notebook and send it back to me. Okay? And here, I can buy. This is you. What can you buy at the clothes shop? Maybe you can say, I can buy a t-shirt at the clothes shop. I can buy some paper and envelopes or an eraser at the stationery shop. I can buy a food shop. You can buy fruits, vegetables, whatever, watermelon. What can you buy at the toy shop? I can buy a doll, I can buy a teddy bear, and so on. And you can say one more here. You can say, I can buy a TV at Walmart or electronics store. My favorite shop, that's for about you. What is your favorite shop? Walmart, Food Basics, Costco. I love toys. My favorite shop is the Happy Toy Shop. We can buy toy robots and toy cars there. Let's go there together. So you can say my favorite shop is Walmart. I can buy clothing, I can buy electronics, I can buy this at Walmart. I go there once a week. It's just a short story about your shopping. Okay, so this is for the morning students on Friday. And for the afternoon students, I have a listening practice about shopping. Okay, so you have to listen again and put the sentences in the correct order. Which one is number 1? Which one is number 2? Which one is number 3? But you can listen and, you know, advertisement all over the place and put them order. Take a basket, go home and put the shopping away. I think this would be the last one. Stand in a queue means stand in a line, okay? Pay for the shopping in cash, get your change and your receipt. I think that goes there. Pay for the shopping in cash if you want. Okay, put your shopping in the basket, carry the shopping to the car. So this one would go, I'm not doing them all for you. Okay, you have to listen and you do it, okay? Yeah, okay, the next one. Which bag do the boys choose from Graham? So you have to listen. A, number 1 is 25 pounds. Don't worry about pounds. This is English, but it's still good. Just pay attention to the number 25, 180. Okay, which one is A? Which one is B? Which one is C? Okay, then you have another listening. Listen to 3 people talking about speakers and choose the correct answer. So here you have to listen on the Glow, Mini, and Sun and Sea. These are the 3 portable speakers. And here you have 2 words you can choose after listening, better or worse. This one is think or don't think. This one is pocket or bag. Okay, so you have to listen to Gabby, Mark, Tim, these 3 people. Match the items to the prices. Now you have to listen again, and you have certain items here. You have a headphone, you have a flashlight, you have a phone, you have a camera. Which one is, I would say this one is the phone, but you have to listen and then you will be able to match it. Okay, when you finish, click on the finish button, write your name here and click on send. Okay, so that will be this week's lesson. I hope this explanation helps you. Stop the video and play it again as many times as you want to understand everything. And then, of course, if you come on Tuesday and Thursday to the live lesson, we'll practice more about shopping. And I will ask you questions, what you like to buy, how much money do you spend during the week, and stuff like that, just to practice our English. Okay, so I hope this helped, and see you on Tuesday at 9 o'clock, the morning students, and 10 o'clock, the afternoon students. Okay, everybody. Bye.